Hello student, welcome to another class of class 12th question bank English. Today we are going to discuss fill-ups section C grammar. So let's begin. Question number 8, fill in the blanks. So first question is, I have seen dash places of historical importance in this city, and options are A and the, no article. So here the correct answer will be the. I have seen the places of historical importance in this city. Okay. Next question. The boy dash the bird. Options are catch, catch and catch. So the correct answer will be catch. Catches. Okay. Third question. Dash knowledge is a dangerous thing. A little, little, few. So the correct answer will be a little. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Dangerous thing. कि अल्प ज्ञान बहुत ही ज़्यादा खतरनाक होता है. Okay. Next question. I think it dash rain today. And options are may, must, can't. So the correct answer will be I think it may rain today. मुझे लगता है शायद आज बरसात हो. Question number 5. There are dash books, dash precious books in the library. And options are much, any, some. So the correct answer will be there are some precious books in the library. So the correct answer will be some. Sixth question. My brother is a dash engineer. And options are the and a. So the correct answer will be my brother is an engineer. Question number 7. Did you buy dash sugar from the shop? So the correct answer will be any. Did you buy any sugar from the shop? So the correct answer will be any. Next question. Question number 8. I don't like dash of these mobiles. And options are either and neither. So the correct answer will be either. I don't like either of these mobiles. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. You dash stop smoking. And options are would, should. So the correct answer will be should. You should stop smoking. Moving on to next question. Question number 10. We are going dash a match today. And options are playing, to play and played. So the correct answer will be we are going to play. Correct answer will be to play. So the correct answer will be we are going to play a match today. The correct answer will be to play. Okay. Moving on to next question. My friend lives dash in dash New Delhi. My friend lives dash New Delhi. So the correct answer will be in. So the correct sentence will be like my friend lives in Delhi. Question number 12. Work hard lest you dash fail. Options are would, could, should. So the correct answer will be should. Work hard lest you should fail. Okay. Question number 13. Ram prefers milk dash tea at 2 than. So we know that prefer verb come with to. So the correct answer will be like Ram prefers milk to tea. Okay. Question number 14. Mr. David is dash and European. And options are A and the. So the correct answer will be Mr. David is a European. So the correct answer is A over here. So moving on to next question. Question number 12. I have dash friends. Much, many. So the correct answer will be many. I have many friends. Question number 16. Dash Ramayana is a sacred book. A and the. So the correct answer will be the. The Ramayana is a sacred book. Okay. Question number 17. My grandmother is a hard dash hearing of to on. So the correct answer will be off. My grandmother is a hard of hearing. Okay, moving on to next question. Dash God bless you with a daughter. Options are can, could, may. So the correct answer will be may. May God bless you with a child, with a daughter, sorry. Question number 19. The building has dashed down. Options are falling, fallen, fall. The correct answer will be fallen. Why here fallen? Because the sentence is in past tense, मतलब sorry, simple present perfect tense. So we used verb third form. Okay, moving on to next question. He distributed sweets dash children. So the correct answer will be among. Where we should use among? When the number of things are more than 2 and between is used for 2. Okay. Question number 21. Does her soul rest in peace? Would, may. So the correct answer will be may. May her soul rest in peace. Okay. Question number 22. They apologized dash the old lady for 2. So the correct answer will be for. They apologized for the old lady. Okay, next question. Question number 23. I didn't find dash there. Options are anyone, no one. So the correct answer will be anyone. I didn't find anyone there. Okay, moving on to next question. Question number 24. She doesn't have dash friends to help her. And options are many, much, any. So the correct answer will be any. She doesn't have any friends to help her. Okay, moving on to next question. Question number 25. You dash to go to Mumbai tomorrow to attend the meeting. Will have, should. So the correct answer will be you will have. You will have to go to Mumbai tomorrow to attend the meeting. Okay, question number 26. I am not anxious dash my exams. In, about, for. So the correct answer will be about. I am not anxious about my exams. Question number 27. We keep our food in the fridge dash it does not go bad. And options are after, so that, since, although. So the correct answer will be so that. We keep our food in the fridge so that it does not go bad. Okay. Question number 28. You does not feel sorry for this petty mistake. So the answer and options are need, do, have. So the correct answer will be need. You need not feel sorry for this petty mistake. Question number 29. Dash rooms of each of this hotel has an AC. And options are each, every, some. So the correct answer will be each. Each room of this hotel has an AC. Okay. Question number 30. He is good dash English. And options are in, of, at, on. So the correct answer will be at. He is good at English. Okay. Question number 31. Dash I do that some for you. And options are shall, will, can, may. So the correct answer will be shall. Shall I do that some for you? Okay. Question number 34. No sooner did the boy see the cobra dash he run away. And options are as soon, then, as, so. The correct answer will be then. No sooner did the boy see the cobra then he run away. We know that no sooner and then they always come together. Okay. Question number 33. This task has been equally divided between you and dash. Myself, me, I and mine. So we know that आई का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में क्या हो जाता है, मी. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी मी. दिस टास्क हैज़ बीन इक्वली डिवाइडेड बिटवीन यू एंड मी. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. When Rohan was a small child, he dash spent hours every day playing marbles in the street. And options are would, was, should, used. So the correct answer will be would. We can also use used to, but we have only used in the options. If there will be used to, so we can also use used to, but here we can use would according to our options. So the correct answer will be would over here. So question number 35. Does the better team Australia lost the match against Bangladesh? And options are in spite of, despite being, although. So the correct answer will be question option number C, despite being. Despite being, the better team ऑस्ट्रेलिया लॉस्ट द मैच अगेंस्ट बांग्लादेश. एक अच्छी टीम होने के बावजूद ऑस्ट्रेलिया मैच हार गई. किसके अगेंस्ट? बांग्लादेश के अगेंस्ट. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. योर हेल्थ इज डिटरोइटिंग डे बाय डे. यू डैश बेटर सी अ डॉक्टर. एंड ऑप्शंस आर डिड, वुड, शुड, हैड. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी हैड. योर हेल्थ इज डिटरेटिंग डे बाय डे. डिटरेटिंग मीन्स खराब होना. यू हैड बेटर सी अ डॉक्टर. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी हैड ओवर हियर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. आई विल फिनिश दिस प्रोजेक्ट इन डैश ईयर. एंड ऑप्शंस आर ए एंड द, नो आर्टिकल. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी अ. आई विल फिनिश दिस प्रोजेक्ट इन अ ईयर. ओके. Moving on to next question. The plane took dash at 8:30 am. And options are away, on, off, down. So the correct answer will be off. The plane took off at 8:30 am. Okay. Question number 39. Let the child dash. It's been dark outside. And options are out, in, off, away. So the correct answer will be let the child in. Let the child in. It's been dark outside. Okay. Question number 40. The time is running dash, hurry up. And options are off, around, out, through. So the correct answer will be running out. The time is running out, hurry up. Sorry. Question number 41. White stands dash peace. And options are for, with, over, against. So the correct answer will be for. White stand for peace. जो वाइट कलर होता है वह शांति के लिए, शांति के रूप में प्रयोग किया जाता है. उसका शांति का प्रतीक होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 42. दिस कोर्स विल हेल्प यू डैश योर स्पीकिंग स्किल्स. एंड ऑप्शंस आर कैंसल, आंसर, ट्राई, डेवलप. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज develop. This course will help you develop your speaking skills. Okay. Question number 43. When I dash up, I'll be a pilot. And options are grow, hurry, keep, go. So the correct answer will be grow. When I grow up, I'll be a pilot. कि जब मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा तो मैं पायलट बनूंगा. Okay. Question number 44. He wants to get a better dash and earn more money. And options are employment, job, work, salary. So the correct answer will be job. He wants to get a better job and earn more money. Okay. Moving on to next question. Question number 45. I dash the piano since the age of 5. And options are played, I am playing, play, have played. So here the correct answer will be have played. Have played. I have played the piano since the age of 5. Okay, students, moving on to next question. Warning, no entry for strangers dash this point, and options are about, from, beyond, on. So the correct answer will be beyond. Warning, no entries for stranger beyond this point. Okay, moving on to next question. I did it dash, I was off work, and options are during, while, since, however. So the correct answer will be while. I did it, sorry, I did it while I was off work. So the correct answer will be while over here. Question number 48. If we want to avoid another loss dash, we should take proactive measures immediately, and options are since, then, so, because. So the correct answer is then. If we want to avoid another loss, then we should take proactive measures immediately. So the correct answer will be then. Okay, moving on to next question. We should go to bed soon dash, we have to rise early tomorrow, and options are although, as, but, unless. So the correct answer will be as. You should go to bed soon as we have to rise early tomorrow. Okay, students, moving on to next question, last question for day. Question number 50. The questions dash are on page 194, and options are answered, answering, to be answered, answer. So the correct answer will be to be answered. So the correct answer will be to be answered. Friends, thank you.